What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So marami nagre-request actually sa akin, no? And nakikita ko rin sa comments na why not react to Darren and Sarah's performance sa 10th anniversary ni Darren Espanto sa showbiz. I think na may part or segment na kasama guest si Miss Sarah Geronimo, and we're going to react to it right now kasi nga there is a handful of people na nag-requests sa akin to do this one. So if you guys are new in my channel, please do subscribe. Follow nyo ako sa Facebook, David Lanyas, and on Instagram and on TikTok. And malapit na tayo sa 300,000 followers on Facebook, so be a part of that community. And also sa aking TikTok, no, we just passed 200,000 milestone, no, 200,000 followers on TikTok. So also please join the community that we have on TikTok. Okay, so sa Instagram, mga updates and stuff like that, so you can also check me out there. So anyway, let's jump right into the video. And this is about 6 minutes and 24 seconds. So yeah, this is Darren Espanto D10 with Miss Sarah Geronimo Godicelli. Let's go. Ooh. Water ba to? Feeling ko water. Water yung vibe eh. Ay, di pala. Bagay ni Darren itong ganitong genre. Parang pop R&B. Oh. Magaling pala sumayo si Darren, no? Oh. I didn't know Darren can dance like this. Alam ko may galaw siya, no? May swag siya, but I didn't know na you know, he can really dance though. Nice. Nice. Guys, kanina ba tong song? I love it. Yung vibe niya is very very club na chill, ganun, but it's upbeat, nakaka-give din siya ng energy, but it's kind of giving me like the club house na you know, yung parang chill lang siya pero gusto mo lang ng yung still energy, ganun. Oh, dito na si Sarah. Tanong, surprise ba na nag-guess si Miss Sarah dito or alam na ng mga tao na andito siya? So sassy. Nice. Hey, hey. Woo. So suabe, man. Galing. Dance break. Dance break. Hey, bro. Hey. I love this. What? I'm having goosebumps right now. Ang ganda nito. Hey, dance break. Ito, dance break. Hey. Nag-halftime yung beat eh.
Nagkulang pa ako, pinuhusay yung lahat ng pagmamahal ko.
Woo! I love this. Yo, for some reason, low-key, bagay mag-collab si Sarah at Darren. They have the same vibe, the same energy, the same talent, sing and dance, no? Alam naman natin, Miss Sarah is a veteran on her field, no? Talagang, matagal na siya sa industriya, hinog na siya, and Darren is, still not yet at his peak sa kanyang career, but I believe he's getting there, and I think that if there's a collaboration talaga, like the official collaboration with a song, I don't know if they have it already, but I think more of Darren and Sarah is a good idea. Sarah can still belt. Galing ni Darren, ha? Ito, dance break talaga to. Hey, hey, hey. Galing. Alam nyo guys, maraming magagaling sumayaw. May mga taong, nai-improve yung pagsayaw or natutunan yung pagsayaw. But I also believe that meron talagang innate na you're born with it. Yung swag, may ibang swag na talagang alam mo na they're born with it. And nakikita ko yun kay Miss Sarah Geronimo. Isa talaga siya, when we say sing and dance dito sa Pilipinas, I think ang pumapasok talaga sa isip ko, number one, is Miss Sarah Geronimo. Yun talaga. Number one talaga si Miss Sarah Geronimo. And then, Julie Ann San Jose, and then, marami naman ngayon, no? They're doing, genres and performances like this. But again, una talagang pumapasok sa isip ko, when you say like a total performer, sing and dance, it's still Sarah Geronimo. Ako, Team Sarah ba si Darren dati?
Grabe kang bata ka.
Akala ko siya, bamboo.
Mas grabe po kayo, syempre. Sa royalty coach ko yan.
Yes.
Sarah Geronimo.
Yeah, grabe.
Darren.
Very proud.
Ikaw ang nag-coach sa...
Hala, grabe. Imagine 10 years na pala si Darren. Tapos tung nag-coach si Sarah Geronimo, na siya, like, she's already like very established in the industry. Ooh. Grabe, tagal na pala ni Sarah, but, ang bata-bata. Ano pa siya, yung vibe ni Sarah is very young, youthful pa.
Sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat
I love
po.
you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sarah, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true.
Oh.
And maraming
Of course.
salamat po syempre for, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala!
career ko.
Wala yun!
Hindi! Opo, share ko lang po, of course, when I invited Coach Sarah to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kunin ko lang yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Ay, Sir Sok!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiya man ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng ng happiness lang every time na nagkikita tayo. Sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren.
Thank you
Mahal
po.
na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa
Yes.
industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
Mabait naman talaga si Darren, no?
Maraming salamat.
Nakita natin sa ate siya. Oo nga. Oo nga, tangkad na nga ni Darren.
I love you so much po. Thank you po.
Grabe.
Thank you. Give it up po si Sarah Geronimo.
May lakad pa ata si Miss Sarah. Okay. That was a beautiful, energizing performance. Yet nakita natin na kung gaano kagaling hindi lang si Darren Espanto, but I realized na talagang Miss Sarah Geronimo is one of a kind sa Philippine music industry. Hindi lang sa music, but as an artist, as an artista, an actress, alam naman natin ang galing din niya. May nakita nga ako doon yung isa sa mga like favorite na dalawa pala. May dalawa ata akong nakitang marami akong nakitang Sarah Geronimo films, okay? Pero dalawa doon is Miss Granny. I love that film, Miss Granny. And then yung isa yung parang may amnesia. Ay, hindi naman may amnesia siya. Pero parang special siya dun or something like that. Basta naiyak ako dun no? Ang galing niya dun. Anyway, it was a great all-out collaboration from Darren and Sarah Geronimo, and I would really love to see another collaboration in the future kasi I think they really have the same vibe, the same wavelength, no, in terms of performing, no, all out talaga, no, walang ka-arte-arte, talagang showdown kung showdown, ganon. So anyway, that's it, and hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.